does put a smile on my face.
What's up, guys? Brian Tong here, and as you can see in front of me, I'm super excited about this. We just got this in. Read the word up here. It says toys, and this is going to be our unboxing and first look at Marvel Legends Infinity Gauntlet from Hasbro. It's coming out on March the 3rd, 2018. So I'm just gonna, oh, dude, I'm not strong enough, but that's okay. All right, let's just whip getting in this thing. Ugh. Like this has got to be the collectible of the year. I'll just do this my way. Here we go. Woo! Look at this. Oh, this is beautiful. This is beautiful. All right, so you know this is a replica of the Infinity Gauntlet from the Avengers movie Infinity War, coming out now, bumped up to April 27th. Holy crap. This is awesome. All right, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna crack into this box very carefully because I wanna preserve the packaging so later I can resell it on eBay for twice the value. All right, we're gonna open this up and just see what we can get inside here. You guys don't see what I'm seeing right now? This is amazing, all right? Should I pull it out? I'm gonna pull it out. I'm gonna pull it out here. This is so, oh man, you don't. Let's just be very careful with this. Oh. Okay. Look at this thing. Look at this thing. Oh, how do I get this off? I should be very gentle with this. All right. Look at this beast right here. This stands 19.5 inches tall. I'm getting giddy right here. You can see the design here. It's beautiful. You have all the gems. One of the keys of this is that you have to add 3 AA batteries. So I'm gonna improvise and kind of figure out how to do this. It appears I need a screwdriver. Does anyone have a screwdriver? Oh, right here. The magic of video. All right, so I'm not normally a lefty, but I'm gonna unscrew this panel here. Like if you could smell this right, you know, that smell of like fresh plastic, kind of like a new Mac smell or like your fresh car smell, like smells good. Smells good. All right, let's get this. Just bear with me and my screwdriving capabilities. All right, so I'm gonna unscrew that, and we have right here. You can see AA batteries. I keep on saying AAA, AA. Boom, boom. All my childhood fantasies are gonna be complete in a second. All right, I'm gonna put this panel back on there. Screw it on. Oh yeah. Nice and tight. Nice and tight. Okay. Oh, come on, come on. Let's play with this thing. Okay. Well, let's put this panel back in place. And you may or may not be able to see this, but inside this gauntlet, I'm gonna show it to you. We'll have to get a little better light in here, but there's actually a grip for my hand. And then if you feel around here, there's actual rings that control the different fingers. What? Are you listening to that? Wait, what just happened? Okay, this is awesome. I just turned on the Infinity Gauntlet. How do I flex my hands out now? Oh, okay. So you put your hand in here, and I'm like squeezing them down here, and there's a release right here. So it appears that if I put this release down, it locks the fingers down, and then when I shove it back up, so you can do some creative things like we're gonna blur that out right now. You can't see this right. Infinity Gauntlet's this. I know you're jelly right now. Hi. All right. Also, some cool details here that you may not notice. Not only is it a 19.5-inch replica, if you look at this, the actual Infinity Stones are shaped differently from each other. So you obviously have the Mind Stone. It's in Vision's head. Over here we have the Time Stone. It's the Eye of Agamotto that is in the possession of Doctor Strange. We have the Power Stone that the Nova Corps is holding on to after Guardians of the Galaxy Volume 1. Then we have the Space Stone where it appears that Loki has recovered it from Thor Ragnarok and it's in his possession. Hold on a sec. Let me just turn this back on. Oh, yeah. Whew, whew, did you hear that? Also, this is the Reality Stone. This was in the possession of the collector. And then this guy here, this is a big deal. This is the Soul Stone. We haven't seen it yet, but I just wanted to show off this. This is the Infinity Gauntlet. Even the thumb moves, like, look at that. Every finger has a loop. This is so awesome. I'm gonna walk around and like, I'm gonna try different things with this, but there you have it, the first unboxing of the Infinity Gauntlet from Marvel Legends, and this thing is boss.